Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about Goo Gone. So my son decided that he was going to put duct tape down on the floor and label it where he was going to put his scooter and his bike and the other scooters and skateboards or whatever. So he did this and put this stuff down. So you can see that it now has sticky adhesive duct tape because, you know, the floor gets wet and other things like that. And so finally I got all that duct tape pulled up, but I don't want all the stickiness here. And so I'm going to show you that this Goo Gone spray gel is actually just fantastic. So it's really quick and easy to use. Directions are pretty easy on it. They want you to pre-test an area. They always tell you that crap, right? But it's on a concrete floor. So I did pre-test it. It doesn't do anything besides take the goo off. You apply it to the mess, and we got lots of those, and then allow a few minutes for the Goo Gone to begin to work. Wipe with a clean white cloth. Clean the area with soap and water. On carpet, I'm not using carpet. Carpet, it says do not treat clothing while wearing, but you can use this on a bunch of different surfaces. So let me show you how it works. I'm taking the residue of duct tape off of a concrete floor, and then there's other things, but make sure you read the instructions on what you want to take off. Tree sap, it takes off gum, candle wax, crayons, I guess, tape, stickers and adhesive. I think those are, they read our mind. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to spray it on all the areas, and I'm going to wipe it down in about 5-10 minutes, and I'll show you how this works for our mess that we have today. Here we go. So my son obviously had really good intentions of making sure that he organized his toys out in the garage and that sort of thing. Did that work? Absolutely not. Did he park the scooters and the bikes in their appropriate spots? Nope. Did all the labeling and everything work, and the duct tape that he went through, did it help with anything? Absolutely not. Didn't do anything. So the scooters still ended up everywhere in the garage. The cords, everything that goes along with the scooters ended everywhere as well. So it really did nothing besides make me buy Goo Gone spray and clean it up about a year later. So because I'm on a concrete surface, the easier thing for me to do is really just to use a little bit of an abrasive sponge. And you can see that, and this is like, this Goo Gone, like I don't know exactly what's in the chemicals, you guys can look it up, but at the end of the day, this Goo Gone is like an oily type substance. So you'll see some spots you might have to go over and do a couple times just to get all the adhesive off. But I could be a little bit rougher on the concrete floor because it's concrete, and get all the spots off of it. And you'll notice that it won't be sticky anymore when we're done, which is also a big, huge benefit. So the other thing too is if it's something like you see over here, this is a little bit more, what you call it, a little bit more adhesive that's on it. So you might have to go over a few areas a couple times, but you can see that for the most part, it does a really nice job of just taking off the stuff. And then I'll go rinse the sponge a few times. Then after you're done with this, they want you to take a white cloth, of course, and soap and water and scrub the floor down, and then you're done. That's it. So as you can see, usually you wouldn't use Goo Gone in such a huge area, but like we did, but we had a lot of spots that we had to get the goo off and the adhesive off. So, but as you can see, we basically used the process. We scrubbed it all down. Then you use, you know, a white cloth and some soap, and basically it's kind of like an oily substance. So that's what you really want to clean up. That's why if you use a little dish soap like Dawn and a rag, and you just kind of wipe it all up. So you can see it's still drying right now, but we'll show you after it dries, and we'll show you what it looks like. But right now it's drying, and you can see all the adhesive is gone. So your feet aren't gonna stick to it. The dirt's not gonna stick to it. You know, that sort of thing. So that's it. We'll show you when it's completed, and we'll go from there.